Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start now, park the car on level ground and engage the parking brake. Open the hood and expose the battery. Identify the positive and negative terminals so you avoid mistakes. Put on gloves and eye protection because acid and sparks are real hazards. Once done, disconnect the negative terminal first, then the positive to prevent shorts. Make sure the charger is powered off and set to the correct voltage and amperage for your Mini Cooper battery before connecting any clamps. You now connect the charger. Set the charger to the battery's required voltage and pick an appropriate amperage, lower for a safer, slower charge. Attach the red clamp to the positive terminal and the black clamp to the negative terminal. Alternatively, clamp the negative to a clean chassis ground if instructed. Once clamps are secure, choose trickle for long maintenance, higher amperage for a quicker charge, and maintenance mode if the battery was deeply discharged. Then power on the charger and monitor its indicators. You finish by letting the charger run the full recommended cycle. Charging to full restores capacity and balance. When the charger indicates completion, switch it off, then remove the negative clamp first, followed by the positive, and reinstall terminals on the battery tightly. Start the car to confirm normal operation and check voltage with a multimeter, about 12. 6V at rest and 13. 714. 7V with the engine running. If voltage stays low or the car won't start, suspect a failing battery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.